Abacus AI versus Manus AI review. Which AI platform is better? Choosing the right AI platform can dramatically affect how you build, deploy, and scale intelligent applications. Abacus AI and Manus AI are two emerging AI platforms designed to simplify AI development and deployment, but they take different approaches and offer different strengths. Abacus AI focuses on automated machine learning and production readiness, while Manus AI emphasizes flexible model development and integration with modern workflows. This comparison breaks down how each platform works so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Abacus AI is an AI platform built to help developers and data teams create, optimize, and deploy machine learning models with minimal manual setup. It often includes capabilities like automated feature engineering, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and monitoring, all designed to reduce the time and expertise needed to get models into production. Abacus AI aims to provide reliable performance and scalable deployment options, making it suitable for teams that want a streamlined, end-to-end machine learning workflow. Its focus is on removing repetitive tasks and letting developers focus on solving business problems rather than infrastructure overhead. Manus AI is an AI platform that emphasizes flexible model development and integration with modern data and application workflows. It provides tools that let developers build custom models, experiment with different architectures, and integrate AI into apps and services without rigid constraints. Manus AI's design often supports collaboration, versioning, and iterative experimentation, which makes it appealing for teams that prioritize innovation and rapid prototyping. The platform typically offers support for popular frameworks, easy model deployment, and integration options that fit into existing development pipelines. Feature comparison. Abacus AI and Manus AI each bring valuable capabilities to AI development. Abacus AI stands out for its automated workflows, helping teams quickly build, optimize, and deploy models with less manual effort. Manus AI excels for teams that want flexible control over model design, experimentation, and integration into custom applications. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize automation and streamline production or customization and experimental flexibility. Final thoughts. If your focus is on automated model building, simplified deployment, and reducing manual overhead, Abacus AI is a strong choice. If you prefer deep control over your model's architecture, experimentation, and integration into complex workflows, Manus AI may be the better fit. The best AI platform for you depends on your project goals, team skills, and whether you prioritize automation or flexibility in development.